Hi, I'm Terri Tomlinson, and I reinvented the wheel. This wheel, the Flesh Tone Color Wheel. It is a guide for seeing undertone in skin, and it's also a tool for finding highlight, contour, analogous, and complementary colors in skin. As a makeup artist, I use color theory in every application. It is a huge part of the decisions that I make, and it's very important in my work. And yet, as an educator at Makeup Training Academy, I see this huge gap between color theory and traditional color wheels and skin. I really wanted to create something that would give anyone who works with skin a visual of skin tone so that they can not only see color in the flesh, but they can work color theory in the flesh. I've had an overwhelming response to the Flesh Tone Color Wheel. If you are using the wheel, I would love to hear from you. Please comment. Let me know how it's impacted you as an artist and how you're using it. If you would like more information on where to purchase the Flesh Tone Color Wheel or my classes, please visit makeuptrainingacademy.com. There will be more videos coming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.